What's up guys, NDM Tech here. Welcome to NDM Q&A #2. And in this Q&A, I'll be answering questions about iPhone SE 2020 from my Instagram followers because this was an Instagram exclusive. And I'll be doing more Instagram exclusive content in the future. So to catch up on that, follow me on Instagram at NDM Tech Official. What features can we expect in SE? It has a 4.7-inch Retina HD display, the same one found in the iPhone 8. It comes with the A13 Bionic, which is the best part about this phone. It is IP67 rated, which means it is water resistant up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. It has a single 12 megapixel camera that supports portrait mode and shoots 4K 60 frames per second video, which Apple claims is the best single camera system ever in an iPhone. That claim is not a big deal in 2020 because literally every phone comes with 2 or more cameras. Even though it has the best single camera system in the rear, it doesn't get that same treatment in the front. It comes with an older 7 megapixel camera. This phone gets Wi-Fi 6 and Gigabit Plus LTE, which definitely makes it faster in the connectivity department. It supports fast charging, well, not out of the box because that's just how Apple works and it is shit. It also supports wireless charging and has dual SIM available on board. iPhone 11 versus SE. So choosing between iPhone 11 and SE2 is all about your preferences. You're paying 68,500 rupees or $700 for the 6.1-inch display, notch design, Face ID, front camera that shoots 4K, dual cameras, U1 chip that helps with better connectivity, and an extra GB of RAM. So if you're fine without these features, then SE2 is the way to go at 42,500 rupees or $400. Does 8 to SE2 sound like a great deal of upgrading? Definitely, it's a really good deal, and at this price point you get an iPhone 8 with iPhone 11 internals. And for users upgrading from iPhone 8, iPhone SE is gonna be super identical except for the fact that the logo is gonna be on the middle and it is gonna be way faster than iPhone 8. Is it really worth it for 42K only for A13? Only for A13? A13 Bionic is one of the most powerful flagship class processors that you can get right now. And before this phone, you should have paid a minimum of 68k rupees for the base model iPhone 11 to get the same processing power. But now you just gotta pay 42k rupees. And in my perspective, that is totally worth it. I really love the fact that Apple doesn't downgrade on processing power when they go to budget pricing levels. For example, if we take the Google Pixel 3a, it comes with a Snapdragon 670 chipset at 40k rupees. And even if we compare the iPhone SE to OnePlus devices, which comes at a lower price point but with great chipsets in it, they won't last long because at the end of the day, iPhones are gonna age better than any other phone with Apple's amazing software updates. 3 or 4GB RAM. iPhone SE 2020 comes with 3GB of RAM, which is one less than the iPhone 11 series. Does it have Face ID? Nope, it doesn't have Face ID, it only has Touch ID. Please do a giveaway. Sure, I'll do a giveaway when my channel grows bigger, and for that I need help from you guys. So like, comment, subscribe and share it with your friends, and the video's not over yet. Why do you keep going for Apple when you know Samsung is better? Well, first things first, I really love Samsung for being innovative and first in the market to bring products like foldables. I'm a huge fan of Galaxy Fold. But then you pay premium price and 2 years later it's done. You barely get software support, your phone barely feels flagship, and that's not the case with iPhones. iPhones age really well, and some iPhones even get 5 years of software support, and this is one of the main reasons why I keep going for Apple. SE 2020 or Pixel 4a? Okay, so Pixel 4a is yet to be announced, so I can't make any huge claims about it. But then from the rumors that we know as of now, it comes at $400, which is the same price of iPhone SE 2020, but with a Snapdragon 730 chipset, which in no means is a flagship class processor. So let alone considering that fact, I would go for iPhone SE 2020 over the Pixel 4a. Price range of the iPhone SE. iPhone SE 2020 starts at 42,500 rupees for the 64GB base model. 128GB model is priced at 47,800 rupees. and the 256 GB goes all the way to 58,300 rupees. So that's it for today, guys. As I said earlier, this was an Instagram exclusive, and I'll be posting more Instagram exclusive content. So to be a part of it, follow at NDM Tech Official on Instagram, and comment down below on what you guys want to see next. Also, let me know if I have to make any improvements for my next video. And smash the like button if you like this video. Smash the subscribe button if you loved it. And see you guys in the next one.